What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting our day down at our main shop. Behind me here we have our Freightliner with our GMC C4500 loaded up on it. My uncle is in the driver's seat ready to go, waiting on me. We are bringing this truck to our Orange County yard, taking it off the flatbed and loading the 4500 on here. We sold that truck and we told the kid that bought it we would deliver it to him at the Connecticut border, and today is that day. He gave us about a week or so to rip everything off of the truck, but let me hop in here. We'll get up to our Orange County yard, get this one unloaded and load the other one on here.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're back here at our shop. The video that I just recorded of us unloading that truck and giving it to the new buyers was in time lapse. So that's why the last like probably 2 or 3 minutes was all time lapse. Us driving there, unloading it, driving back. I thought I put my camera to regular mode when we were unloading it, but clearly I didn't. Anyway, we have this 450 pulled in here. After I got back here, a guy came and looked at it. You may notice that the plow is off of it. That's because we made a deal for this truck without the plow. So we are keeping this plow. We may sell it. It is an 8-foot Pro Plus. If anybody's interested, you can leave me a comment and maybe we can work something out. But this truck is officially sold. This guy is coming to pick it up tomorrow morning. Rodrigo is just gonna get our heat gun out and pull our decals plus our DOT number off of this. The guy has a dealer plate, so he's gonna come here and pick it up tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and drive this thing back to his house. But pretty good day. 2 trucks officially gone. Well, I shouldn't say that yet. I don't have any money from him, and I don't have a signed bill of sale. So technically this truck is not sold yet, but it will be as of tomorrow morning. That is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.